What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewisTrading.com, and today we're doing a market recap on the S&P 500. It's Wednesday, August 1st, and still watching these technical levels around 27.99. We've got some short-term structured support right down through here, and we've crossed through that last little trigger area, taking out that structured resistance zone that has been playing out since about late February. We're now breaking through and have pulled back and are holding that past resistance, creating what's called a switch. And now we're just waiting for some momentum to kick back into the upside to take the S&P higher. We are still in earnings season. There are still companies that are reporting. So depending upon what company is reporting and the size of that company, we could have either some really big lifts or some really big dumps to the downside. You can see in this bottom pan, I'm just watching the VIX futures, just trying to get an idea of volatility that might be creeping into the market, and just seeing how that might play against the S&P 500 moving up higher and taking out all-time highs of about 28.71. So the S&P is doing well. It's taking out all those key levels that we've been reporting over the last little while, and fingers crossed for all you guys that are swing trading S&P issues long. Now, for me, I'm a day trader. If you want to see some of the things that we're day trading, there's a link actually in the description box below that you can click and become a member of Ask a Trader. And it's in that we will be going over some of the day trades and some of the swing trades that we've been following and executing. So again, description box below, hit the link and follow through, sign up, become a member. Tuesdays and Thursdays when we host Ask a Trader. And don't forget to like and subscribe, turn your notification on, and we will be sending out another market recap on Friday. If you have any questions, by all means, email me. Again, my email is in that link below, info@jlewisTrading.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next market recap.